Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a quick of those pesky haldy stains on your nails. As you can see, my nails have a bit of a haldy stain situation going on. Eating with our hands is an art, but sometimes it leaves its colorful mark. I stumbled upon this gem of a product, Blue Heaven Dip and Twist. It's a game changer, priced at only 99 bucks. And here's the kicker, you can grab it online for as low as 75 or 80 rupees. Simply open the container, dip your finger in, and give it a twist. It's that easy. Watch as the magic unfolds, and those haldy stains disappear like they were never. Let me tell you why I adore this product. Not only does it work wonders, but it's also budget friendly. Plus, it's been my go-to for a long time. If you're tired of dealing with stubborn stains, this may just be your nail savior. If this quick fix came to your rescue, give it a thumbs up.